Hello.
Take 4.
dōTERRA.
Oh my
We got it
goodness.
now.
Well, we got a phone call.
How's
so
everybody?
hopefully you guys are doing good and staying dry. It's been raining here,
St. George, Utah's
which
getting a
we've
little
needed.
rain, a
We've
little bit of
needed
snow
it
in the
a lot.
mountains.
Yes.
We're excited.
yes, I don't want to be out in it, but we needed the rain. So, go, Leon.
Okay, I ran out of my LLV and I got this replenished.
Yes.
And this time I got the add-ons, of course, Terrazyme this time, and Deep Blue Polyphenol, I gotta have that. And I did pay a little extra on the cart thing for this. It was $29 instead of $26.50, but it is worth it.
Yes. It is worth it. Absolutely worth it.
So next time I'll get the MetaPWR Advantage.
Yes, which I did.
Right.
So I don't use the 3-pack. You've probably heard me say that. So I got the nutrient pack, which is your E-omegas and your vitamins and minerals. Right. So the 3 things that I got for a reduced amount is the MetaPWR Collagen, which is amazing. Yes. I love this stuff. It really works really, really well. And I think it's so great for skin, hair, nails, and all the things.
Your skin.
Yes, definitely.
For your skin.
And
your eyes too, they say.
Yes, definitely. So this was one of my add-ons. And Deep Blue Polyphenol was an add-on. I'm getting really low on this.
And you know, I want to just say a little something about this. I was in the store yesterday, don't say which one, and they had a big display of the collagen, and it had a big cow on it. And it says, you know, it could help with this and help with that. But this has 9 peptides. Nobody else out there has this.
No, they don't.
This is the best. It's the bomb.
It is. It's really, really good. Okay, and then I got the PB Restore also, which is the new enhanced version of the PB Assist. And it is a little bit more expensive than the previous one, but it has more strains of probiotic. Right. It has a prebiotic, a probiotic, and it has a postbiotic. And some people I've seen online are asking, is it right for it to look a little foggy in the clear end? And yes, it is. That I've seen that just yesterday, and yes, it is normal and it is fine. So that's that. So you don't need to worry about that.
I just started using more of it, and you just got to get used to it. But hey, it's as good as the other. Now
I think it's better for sure.
The little pixie
stick kind of thing.
It's been enhanced also, and it's a little bit better than the PB Assist Junior. Yeah. So that's also a bonus.
Yes, definitely. So, and then it's finally back in stock. It might have been back in stock last time, but I really needed the protecting shampoo. I don't know why I go through this a lot faster than I do the conditioner. My hair's pretty thin, so I don't need a lot of conditioner, but I use a lot of junk in my hair. Well, you know, stuff. Right. So this really works good to get through all those
good
things.
Stuff. It's a good shampoo.
Okay, then we got 2 of the Breathe drops, one for Leon, one for me, and 2 of the
On Guard
drops. I have a lot of people that, well, maybe not a lot, but some people will call me up and say, hey, do you have a this or that or whatever. I had my next door neighbor's daughter was sick, and I took some Breathe over to them, and I gave them a few of these to try too, because she was really struggling.
And my mom was having some problems a couple of weeks ago, and I took up some Breathe, you know, because she was coughing and stuff. So, you know, we go through it, because this is the time of the year that we need extra help.
Yes, we need support. Yes. Okay, now the rest of this stuff we got for free. We used points on a lot of things, about $300 and something worth of points, but then we earn points on the things that we buy, like these things and whatever.
And it adds up.
It does add up.
It grows.
You do want to use your points within a year. The problem is you have no idea which ones are gonna drop
Yeah.
off after a year, unless you call doTERRA. I wish they had a button for that. You could just look, but
Right.
that isn't a thing yet.
But we get use bonus points almost every month,
Yeah,
and we still got a lot of points.
yeah, yeah, we do. Okay, so one of the things I got is the Yarrow Palm capsules. So this is the Yarrow Palm, but it's in a capsule form, so you use it internally, and it's super great for healthy cells, healthy nails, hair, skin, again, all those good things.
Now, I even use this, but I use it on the weekend.
Oh,
So
okay.
I don't use it during the week, but I use it on the weekend, so I can remember.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Then the other kind of a supplement thing, Leon needed some of the DDR Prime, which
Gel cap.
is your cellular complex.
Yeah, I have the oil that I
Yep.
put in my shakes, and then once in a while I'll be in a hurry or whatever, and I'll use the capsules.
Yep, they're just easy
Gel
to
cap.
take. So the DDR Prime really is great for your cells.
Right.
It is,
It helps your cells go through, as your
Yes.
cells go through the cycle, which is
apoptosis.
apoptosis. Then it helps the cells to go through that cycle a little easier and to slough off.
When they're supposed
when
to.
they're
Yeah,
supposed to. So,
exactly.
Really
So
nice.
look it up in your book. If you don't have a book, get one, because there's so many things that you can read about and learn about that are pretty amazing.
You know, one of the nicest things, we've been doing doTERRA for a long time, and we've learned a lot. We go to the books and we research and say, okay, why is this good for me? And then I try it, and hey, it works. So it's really good to get a book or two and start studying things up, because, you know, we, with our own intuition, will say, okay, I might need that this time, and you know, and we're always using different oils, different
Right.
formulas, different protocols. So it's good stuff.
Yep. So I'll start with the MetaPWR, which is a little 5 ml. This is the oil that is free this month when you place a loyalty rewards order of at least 125 PV by the 15th of the month.
Right.
And the MetaPWR oil, I like it in my water. My bottle's clear over there, but I like to use about 3 drops in my stainless steel 16-ounce water bottle. It really curbs the appetite, it curbs the cravings. It is so helpful, and it just helps your body overall. So
Yeah.
I love it.
And I use it in my shake.
Yeah. So this one will
Sometimes
probably
in
just
my water.
Sometimes I think we're just going to leave this one here in the kitchen so we can both grab it whenever we need to.
Okay.
So let's see, Leon, you want to talk about?
Well, I was able to get a
yours?
few extra things with the bonus points, and so I'll quickly talk about those. Things that I use on a regular basis are Purify. We use a lot of Purify just for regular protocols, and also for the diffuser, which is really good, and I was running low on that. And we also use this on our little dryer balls
Yes,
in the dryer, which is
Yep.
really good.
we do.
And then Air X, I use this almost every morning along with Breathe to, you know, clear up my drainage and such. And I was running low on that.
I just want to say that, you know, for the longest time, I didn't realize that you could use AirX internally until one of the people on my team said that they liked it in their water. And I'm like, oh, I didn't even read the back of the bottle. Because if it says, you can't see that, but if it says supplement facts, then you can use it internally, and it's pretty good in the water. So
Yeah,
just
good
a side
stuff.
note.
And then another thing that I use a lot is lemongrass, and I was running low on that. Also, I've been sharing my oils with my mom. She just turned 89. I don't know if I mentioned it last time in November. So I share, lemongrass is one of those things that I share with her. And then I was running low, matter of fact, on my oregano touch, because a lot of times you're in a hurry or whatever, and you just want to roll that on without putting a carrier oil on, especially if you've got a sore throat or whatever. It's a great, great defense against the colds and stuff. Also, I got the juniper berry. I go through the juniper berry. It's not very big, but I go through it, every month because I use it in one of my protocols, and it's really good for your adrenals.
So on that, I want to also say I use juniper berry pretty frequently, and then I don't use it for a while, but it's super good for your kidneys as well. It's a great kidney support. So I usually just put it on the back here, about the same place of it as the adrenals. Really, really good for
We
that.
just want to be proactive with our health as much as possible. Do as much as we can on our own, except having to, worry about going to the doctors all the time. Doctors are there if you really, really need them, and they are very important.
Yes, absolutely. So I got an oregano touch as well, because it's this time of year where you want to sometimes amp up your defense. And I've had 2 people in just the last week and a half want oregano. One wanted the touch one, and one wanted the full 15 ml bottle, which now I don't have any of that because I gave it to them, sold it to them, whatever. And then the other thing I got is Helichrysum Touch. Helichrysum Touch is a pricey oil, and it is worth every penny. And I love the touch version. I had one and gave it to my son because he had a cut on his head. And but I thought I need to replace that because I'm almost out of it. It's really good for cuts and scrapes and things like that. It really helps to helps your body to work the way that it should to help mend things and fix them up.
It's part of the Swiss Army knife collection type thing. You have to have frankincense and helichrysum and a couple other oils just on hand for emergencies, backup, lavender, things like that.
Yep, this is an awesome one there again. Look in your book, because I can only say so many things, but when you look in the book, then you can read about a lot of things that you'll be going, oh, okay. And I learn all the time because I'll think, oh, I haven't looked at this oil for a while or whatever. So then I learn new things and implement new things. So that is our goodies this time. And we do have a lot of things that we did get for free because we use those points. And it's so great to have those. I think we still have maybe 1,000 points or something. I don't know. It doesn't matter, but it's so helpful.
It shows that we're using the product. We're a product of the product. We're drinking the Kool-Aid, the doTERRA Kool-Aid. It's good stuff. I mean, it's so natural and it's so good for you. And if you know what to use them for, so you can use all kinds of different oils. Right. At different times. So it's really good, and we're glad to be with doTERRA and how it has helped the whole world.
Yes, absolutely. So anyway, so that's all the goodies that we got this time, and I guess we've got a little tickle in the throat.
Okay. So go doTERRA it up.
Yes, you guys. And if you have questions, let me know, because I'm here to answer questions and help you on your journey too. So anyway, this is what we got this month. And a lot of times we are buying the same things that we do like, that we use pretty consistently. But then we go through different times when we switch up what we're using, or we incorporate something new. Maybe not new, but like, oh, I'm going to use this now for a while to work with this particular thing. So anyway, you guys take care. And like I said, if you've got questions, let me know. Okay, see ya. Bye.